Hi guys, this is Iggy Fan1, and today we're going to be reacting to this video from Xledyz Awesome Videos like saying Luke's A-Fan and Rip 10 sucks in a nutshell. Yeah, let's go ahead and be So guys, I have to tell you this, but I don't know if Xledyz Awesome Videos is actually Ryan Laney, yes, steal Lapage, no. Or it's just a good version of him. And so let's go ahead and see what his voice kind of sounds like.
And Rip 10 sucks.
Yeah, Xledyz.
And I'm with the friendless human. Yeah, you are the best user in the world.
Yeah, that sounds like him, alright. Yeah.